Hello and welcome back to another episode of the iApple Guy. Today we're gonna take a look at this Apple IIc from 1985. Okay, so I actually unboxed this machine this morning. So I bought this set, including an Apple IIc with stand and monitor, and this Apple Scribe or Thermal Printer, and this whole set came in two boxes. So here's the other box, but that's for later. So I unboxed it this morning. It looks fine, but I mean I can barely press some keys because they're really sticky. I guess there's some dirt under them, some filth. Or I just need to re-lube them because this is a mechanical keyboard. So anyways, I haven't tested this unit yet. Why? Well, one is I don't have a power brick, so I didn't have a power brick, it's in here. And two is I wanted to capture it on video for my viewers. So yeah, let's get to unboxing the rest of this thing. The only thing that's in here are some manuals, a power brick, so the PSU, a serial cable for the printer, a power cable, some floppies, and yeah, manuals. I already got some floppies, so I actually received this morning in the other package. This is just a copyrighted version of AppleWorks. Then here we have original Apple discs. So this is this AppleWorks? I guess it is. Oh yeah, it says right here. This is AppleWorks. The disc holder. It's another way Apple's made computing more convenient than ever before. Interesting. And then here, this is copyright 1984. This is ProDOS. Yeah, okay, so let's get straight into unboxing the rest of this thing. There we go. I'm gonna have to disinfect my hands and the computer. Right, buddy? I already did that, don't worry. And there it is. Wow. Oh look, hey, we made a portable computer. Yeah. Portable? I think not. Wow, okay, this thing weighs about a third, maybe 30% of this machine. Well, 30% is not a third, I know, but you know, it's heavy. Wow, this thing is really heavy. This is sturdy. 2585, not sure what that means. Maybe the 25th week of 1985. Probably, made in England. 220 volts to 240 volts, which is nice, because, hey, I'm not in the US, I'm in Belgium, which is in Europe, so we'll set that aside. Okay, now, this is, oh, is this an OEM cable? Is it? I don't know. Well, I have a bunch of these, so who cares? Okay, so we have a better camera angle here, and let's take it out. This is, I guess, this is probably a serial cable, is it? I don't know. This is for the printer, yeah. Okay, neat. And this is, oh, okay, yeah, this is cool. I received like a little modem this morning, which I didn't know it was included, but I mean, thanks anyway, it's cool. Is this an Ethernet cable or a phone cable? This is an Ethernet cable. I was kind of hoping for a phone cable, because I already have these. I did have phone cables, but I tossed them. So yeah, that's sad. And this is just a standard RCA or composite cable. I can use these to hook up my monochrome 2C monitor. Very cool. An AppleWorks box and some manuals, I guess. Okay, I see that the previous owner put all the manuals inside of here. Let me take it out real quick here. The Apple II, that's very nice actually. I'll take some pics of these for my Instagram. Very cool. So we have a standard AppleWorks reference manual with this guy and an Apple IIc. As you can see, they're all in very nice condition. I have a couple of manuals from my Macintosh Classic 2, and the pages of that thing are like yellowed. And I guess they also smell like cigarettes. That's because it was owned by a smoker. But this is kept, wow, this is kept really nice. You see, this is AppleWorks tutorial. These are really nice books, man. I mean, I'll get into these in future videos, so stay tuned for those. And then, oh yes, the Apple IIc owner's manual. Oh, very nice. Look at that. 1984 Apple Computer Inc. printed in the USA. Probably not on one of these because they're not that great, but you know. Including Apple presents the Apple IIc, an interactive owner's guide and the system utilities. Okay. Wow. Look at these photos. These are cool. What you get. Introduction to the keyboard. Programming in BASIC. This is something I will read actually. Where's BASIC? Let me take a look here. Wow, okay. This is really cool. Yeah, I'll be using this. Okay. Okay, and then here we have setting up your Apple IIc. Wow, I really love the I love the photos in these. I really love the design of these. Wow. Wow, these are very high quality pictures for 1985. Well, this print quality is just insane. And the pictures, I'm not used to seeing this kind of stuff in person. I'm sorry. This looks like the iMac G3 ad, you know, where he 3 steps to the internet. Okay, this is cool. This is very nice. It is in such good shape too. It is so awesome. You know, I love this font. Honestly, who doesn't love this font? Awesome. International supplement. Yeah, anyways, I'll get into that in other videos. Same for this thing. User's manual. Cool. Yeah, I'll need this. Okay. Okay. Wow. So we have Apple IIc again. Monitor IIc stand. So you know, stands. I wonder if this thing was like $1,000 long ago. Like, probably not. Oh, this is in Dutch. Beknopte Nederlandse handleiding. This is a Dutch manual for the Apple IIc in combination with AppleWorks. Yeah, this is very interesting. I will be reading this. Oh, I mean, I'll put that there. Let me put this here. Evaluation report. What is all this stuff? Cool. Packing list for the Apple IIc. What is this? Business reply mail. Wow. Okay, this is cool. Apple Monitor IIc. Okay, so it has a lot of the original papers too. This is Apple IIc packing list. Then we have another packing list for AppleWorks. Okay. And here, Monitor IIc. Okay. That is, wow, that is in Dutch. Okay. That is, how big is that? It's like a print ad, isn't it? This is cool. I have this kind of stuff from like Nintendo. And, okay, there's a lot of stuff in this Apple IIc set that I didn't know I was gonna get. Look at this little photo. How cool is that? That is very cool. That is really cool. Yeah, another packing list for the Apple Monitor. IIc monitor actually. Evaluation report? Okay, they never sent this. That's cool. So you are supposed to actually send this back to Apple. Business reply mail. Wow. Okay. How do you use your Apple Monitor IIc? Business, education, home, scientific, industrial. Oh god. Hey guys, I think our warranty expired. Maybe. Looks good. Okay, 2525 Mariana Avenue, Cupertino, California. Limited warranty. That's cool. Warranty cards. They're cool. Apple computer, okay. Dear customer, this high-tech piece of equipment is subject to export control regulations, which means that with every border crossing, proper customs documentation and a separate export license should be presented to the customs authorities. Yeah, these are import papers, right? Yeah, okay, cool. Then we have here the 2C monitor stand manual. Kind of makes me laugh, you know, with the new Pro stand and stuff like that. Okay, so we've just checked out all of that stuff, and now we'll be booting up this thing. I'll go outside. So my parents don't like it when I test out new additions to my collection, or test out, you know, stuff I recapped or restored. And they like it when I do it outside, because, you know, RIFAs and stuff like that. So yeah, we'll go outside. Yeah, I'll need this. Ah, what a lovely sound. Did make me think of this for some reason. Boop. I only had to adjust the V-hold of the screen. V-hold. Gotta change the V-hold. Here's the V-hold. And here we go. Awesome. I did notice that the screen brightness was maybe a little too bright here though. I know for a fact that these used to come with little stickers on the floppy drive. Important. Close door slowly. Looks like the previous owner removed the little sticker though. I popped in this Apple IIc floppy to test out the floppy drive. And that seems to work. Neat. This machine is in pretty nice condition. It's probably one of the most valuable things in my collection right now. Well, everything looked fine until the magic smoke escaped. Looks like a capacitor inside of the monitor blew up. But for now, 40 columns it is. So I'm by no means an expert in BASIC or a beginner's all-purpose symbolic instruction code. I'm currently learning more about this since I find it incredibly interesting, and also because I want to make an Apple IIc documentary or a system tour. Maybe a neo-retro review. While getting used to the Apple IIc, I wrote some basic programs in AppleSoft BASIC, damn, and played some lemonade stand on it. Lemonade stand may seem a bit boring, but I find it pretty darn entertaining. Well, that about wraps it up. I can't see bad caps inside of the monitor apart from a RIFA capacitor with a crack in it. I suspect that this is the cap that failed. I plan on doing a repair video where I replace all caps that seem to be out of shape or are going to be soon in the 2C monitor. I'll test them out with a multimeter. I'm not even gonna test the RIFAs. These things crack and eventually go bad when humidity is able to enter the cap. I'll just replace them with a new equivalent. Now you might think, why doesn't he just replace the RIFAs or metallized paper film capacitors and not replace the metallized polypropylene film capacitors, ceramic caps or radial caps, because those are considered quite safe and stable? Well, all components are well past their sell-by date and means they can fail. Better safe than sorry. And then I'll probably have to recap the Apple IIc's internal power supply as well. Oh well, if you like this kind of weekly content, then please consider subscribing and liking this video, because that lets me know that I'm doing a good job. And then I'll see you in the future. That's it.